teach today. All right, so in this example, if you guys remember the main important thing, if you remember our radicals, was basically came from, remember there's a 2 here, and basically this is all raised to the one power, first power, right? So therefore, I can rewrite this as a rational power for 2r st divided by 5w raised to the 1/2 power. Now remember, in this case, now we're trying to expand, right? So we don't want any powers, nor do we want any radicals. We want to all write these as numbers in front. So therefore, now I can write this in front, 1/2 log of 2r st divided by 5w. So does everybody see what I have done with that radical? Because usually radicals is what trips everybody up. Does everybody see how I got rid of the radical? Does everybody see how I did that? OK. Well, now we could separate this by division. So therefore, I can rewrite this as 1/2 log 2r st minus log of 5w. Now, I'm not finished, but does everybody see how I separated the division as a subtraction of my numerator and my denominator? Now, there's something wrong with this. The problem is the 1/2, the square root, is only being applied to the numerator, right? You're not doing distributive property. If you were to condense this, you would only do the square root to this one, right? You wouldn't do the square root to this one, correct? But in reality, the square root is for the numerator and the denominator. So we have to include a parenthesis. And in this case, I'm actually just going to use a bracket. And I'll show you why I'll use a bracket instead of a parenthesis. Even though it's a grouping symbol, it's the same thing. So now, can we separate the product of product using addition of logarithms? Right? So all right, this is going to take a little bit. I'll just spread it out. So I have 1/2 log of 2 plus log of r plus log of s plus log of t minus log of 5 plus log of, that's a w, log of w. Whoa, looks pretty crazy, right? But all I did was I broke up each one of these as the addition of a separate logarithm. I broke up these two as the addition of a separate logarithm. However, again, it's not fully completed, because if you guys look at this, this is all going to be a product. Then you would divide. Remember, we always read from left to right. Then you would divide by 5, but then you would multiply by w. So if you do that, you don't need to multiply by 5 and multiply by w. You need to divide by 5 and the w, correct? Yes? So therefore, what I actually need to do is, again, use another grouping symbol. So those are grouped together. So I'm not just dividing by the 5. I'm dividing by the 5 times w.